AI is likely to play a key role in this endeavor, as it will be necessary to develop autonomous mining machines that can operate in low-gravity environments and navigate complex terrain with precision. From robotic explorers to satellite networks, AI is helping us to collect and analyze data from some of the most distant and inhospitable regions of our solar system and beyond. Whether we are exploring the surface of Mars, searching for extraterrestrial life, or mining asteroids for resources, AI will play a vital role in helping us to achieve our goals and advance our understanding of the universe. As AI continues to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives, it is becoming increasingly important to consider the ethical and governance implications of these technologies. From privacy concerns to potential biases in decision-making algorithms, there are a wide range of issues that need to be addressed in order to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical manner. One of the most pressing concerns around AI is the potential for these technologies to invade our privacy.